Okay, let's go back to the Sheet 4 tab, and we want to add some numbers in to the cells as listed in the manual. And when we've done that, we want to select cells B4 to E4, B4 to E4, and then right click on them. If we don't lose the selection to start with, right click on them and select Format Cells, and then click on the Number tab and the Number category, and make sure that number there, and make sure we've got 2 is the default, and let's say OK. And then we're going to click the Decrease Decimal button twice. It's hidden, of course. Let's click it twice, once, and then it disappears onto the toolbar, so we have to find it on the toolbar and click it the second time. There it is. Okay. And now we're going to click the Comma Style button, which is, again, is hidden. There we go. That also defaults to 2 decimal places. Now let's go to cell B16 and the Format menu and Cells, and on the Number tab click the Number category, and let's click the 1000 separator box and OK. And now let's select C16 and click the currency style, the $sign. And now let's select A16 and click the % style button. That one there. Now let's click D16 and go to the Format menu, Cells, and on the Number tab we'll select Special and Phone Number and OK. And now click B17 and go to the Format menu, Cells, and on the Number tab let's select Special and Zip Code +4 and OK. And now click A17 and go to the Format menu and Cells and Special again and Social Security number and OK. Now let's select cell D17. There's nothing in it at the moment. Let's go to the Format menu, Cells, and on the Number tab Custom, and let's select the text in the type box, and we want to type open inverts SN, close the inverts, space 0-000-0, and OK. And now we'll type 74531 and press the Enter key and see what happens. Now let's select cells E4 to E6 and click the name box, and let's type totals and press the Enter key. Now click in cell E7 and type equals sum, open parentheses, totals, close parentheses, and press Enter. Now click the name box arrow and select totals, and then click the italic button, and then click the font color drop arrow, and let's select red. Font color, there we are, red. And now let's and and we want to surround that. On the borders tab, we can select different border sizes and select the that surrounds the whole thing. And if you want to put some lines in the middle, that's a vertical line down each of the divisions, and OK. Now let's select row 5 and right click on it, 6 and row click on it and say insert, or click on, and then select it and control drag it down to copy it. And we want to format rows and heights and change the size of the row. There we go. Now let's format row and hide. And now if we select the rows on both sides of it, we can go format row and hide. Okay, now let's select a block of text or a block of cells, and if we right click on that and say insert, and we have the option of inserting a complete row or complete columns, or moving the cells down, which is what we've done there. If we right click on it again and say delete, and we can move them up. Now let's select that row that we inserted and right click on that and say delete, and we can save.